The very first thing I'm going to do is request your discovery. Under Mississippi Rules of Criminal Procedure, we are entitled to certain evidence in your case. We're going to get that. That includes video recordings, that includes audio recordings, and that includes reports, whether written by a police officer, a crime lab, or whether it's a statement by a witness somewhere. We are going to get that because you are 100% entitled to that, and we're going to review everything before we even step foot in the courtroom. The next thing I'm going to do is get an extension of your driving privileges. If you've hired me within the first 30 days, that's something that's 100% possible because there's a statute out there that says that you have to have your DUI trial within 30 days. You have to show why the state didn't give it to you within 30 days. So we've discussed previously that it can take 3 to 6 months on an average for a DUI case to work out, clearly past 30 days. Well, generally, they take your license when they charge you with a DUI, and they give you this little white sheet of paper that says this is your driving license for the next 30 days. If you've received one of them, I tell every one of my clients, make you a couple of copies. Put one in your wallet or your purse, and put one in each automobile you think you may be driving. And then we request that extension from the court, and they should enter an order. For whatever reason something comes up, your license are suspended for whatever reason, let us know immediately. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to contact my contacts at the Department of Public Safety and say, this is an issue, we've requested the trial, and handle it that way. Another thing we do is we request officers' training records. They may not even be DUI trained. They may not have received anything other than the basic training, and they're trying to perform some DRE test or something along those lines, something that requires additional training beyond the basics. Maybe they're not certified to operate the intoxilyzer. We're also going to want to see the intoxilizer's reports. So there's a lot of things going on once you hire me to represent you on a DUI. It's not you've hired us and we wait until the trial date. No, quite the opposite. You hire us, we do a lot on the head end as far as gathering information. Once we send the request through the proper channels, it's the state's job to get it to us. If they don't get it to us, then we're going to move to exclude it. So there are several things that happen after you enter a plea of not guilty, and I think that covers them pretty well.